devastating impact of climate change is already evident in Indonesia and will likely worsen in the near future. The combination of high population density and the high level of biodiversity, in addition to a staggering 80,000 kilometers of coastline and 13,000 islands, has made Indonesia is one of the vulnerable countries to the climate change. The shifting weather patterns have made it increasingly difficult for Indonesian farmers to decide when to plant their crops. And erratic drought and rainfalls has led to the crop failures. Study by local research institute found that Indonesia had lost 300,000 tons of crops every year from 1992 to 2000, 3 times losses than the previous decade. It is very serious threat to the food security. Climate change in Indonesia means millions of fishermen are also facing harsher weather conditions, and dwindling fish stocks are also affect their income. Indonesian 40 million poor, including fishermen and farmers, are the worst affected due to the threats of a climate change, that including sea level rise, prolonged drought, and increasing of tropical cyclones. We are now in the very decisive moment. Many scientific studies concluded that an ambitious action must be taken in order to avoid the increasing of global temperature more than 2 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Developed countries, including Belgium, are responsible to the climate change in the last 3 centuries. Due to the economic developments, developed countries has occupied the atmospheric space and left developing countries with very limited option in the carbon-constrained world. Therefore, we demand people of the Belgians and their leaders to take commitment and make real actions to deep cut their emissions. So don't wait, act now to save the climate. The world is waiting.